An overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Exodus chapter 35 in verse 30 up to verse 35. Moses said to the people of Israel, "The Lord has chosen Bezalel of the Judah tribe. Not only has the Lord filled him with his spirit, but he has given him wisdom and made him a skilled craftsman who can create an objects of art with gold, silver, bronze, stones, and wood. The Lord is urging him and Oholiab from the tribe of Dan to teach others, and he has given them all kinds of artistic skills, including the ability to design and embroider with blue and purple and red wool, and to weave fine linen. So this passage is about the instruction of the Lord pertaining to the whom he appoint, that will be the worker for the tent of the tabernacle. Tent of the tabernacle. So let us remember that the tent of the tabernacle exists during the time of Moses, because the temple exists during the time of Solomon. So during this time, they are just doing the tent of the tabernacle. So in this passage, the Lord is giving instruction to Moses for him to appoint Bezalel for an Oholiab to lead his people in creating the tent of the tabernacle. So what this passage actually mean? See, the Lord appoint them to do the tent of the tabernacle. However, we must realize that each of them have different talent and skills. The skill of Moses in terms of leadership is not the same as the skill of Bezalel in terms of craftsmanship. They are of different fields and of different expertise. So, what this actually mean? So, this means that God also will, in His time, He will also appoint you to do His will, because He is the master planner and we need to obey His plan unto our lives. Okay? See, Moses is appointed to lead his people, and Bezalel was appointed to create the tent of the tabernacle. So, and in his time, in his plan, God also will appoint you because of your God-given talent, skills, and in his time, he will also appoint you to do his plan, to fulfill his plan. The good thing is you are part of his plan. So that's why God also in his time, he too will use you. Okay? Maybe right now God is using you. Maybe in the long run or in the future, God will surely use you. Because each one of us had different set of talent and skills. I can do some things that you can't do. And at the same time, you can do a lot of things that I can't do. Meaning that's not my expertise. But you can do it and I can't. So we have different kind of, or should I say, different set of talent and skills. But in his plan, it is part of his plan. Okay? However, also in this passage, the appointment of Bezalel was confirmed by the man of God, Moses. So, time will come, the Lord will tell the man of God who is in charge of you to appoint you as well. Or maybe your cell group leader will receive a confirmation of appointing you on 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 whatever God's plan you to whatever the plan of God is on your life. Okay? So just obey them and obey God.